Good day everyone. This is my video number 8, and last time we were able to explain about geometric means. So this time we are going to explain about the sum of the first n terms of geometric sequence is given by the formula. So we also have a formula in finding the sum of the geometric sequence. We have S equals to a sub 1, or the first term, subtracted to a sub n times r all over 1 minus r. So let's have an example number 1. What is the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96? So before I'm going to explain the solution, don't forget to click this notification and also subscribe to my channel. We have the solution for this problem. Since a sub 1, or the first term, is 3 and a sub 5 is equals to 48, and we have common ratio is 2. So the common ratio is 2 and the value of n is 5. So the formula is equals to a sub 1 minus a sub n times r all over 1 minus r. S equals to first term 3 minus the value of a sub n, which is the fifth term, is 48, times the common ratio 2 all over 1 minus the common ratio 2. So we have S equals to 3 minus 96. 96 is the product of 48 and 2 all over negative 1. The sum of the geometric sequence equals to negative 93 divided by negative 1. So the value of the sum of the first 5 terms, which is the 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48, is 93. The sum of the terms of an infinite geometric sequence. So this time, what if it is an infinite geometric sequence? The sum of the terms of an infinite geometric sequence, a sub 1, a sub 1r, a sub 1r squared, then and so forth, where negative 1 less than r less than 1, or simply we can say r is less than 1 and r is greater than negative 1. It is given by the formula S equals to a sub 1 all over 1 minus r. Now, this is for example number 2. What is the sum to infinity of 2, 1, 1/2, 1/4, and so forth? Solution: since a sub 1, or the first term, is 2 and r is 1/2, the thing here is the sum should be less than 1 and greater than negative 1. So that's the sum of infinity of geometric sequence. So here is the solution. S equals to a sub 1 equals all over 1 minus r. S equals to the value of the first term is 2. Then we have 1 minus the value of r is 1/2. So just remember how to get the common ratio. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2, or maybe 1/2 divided by 1, something like that. So yan yung previous video natin. So we have the common ratio 1/2, then 2 divided by 1/2. Remember the basic way on how to get or divide a fraction. So 2 divided by 1/2 becomes 2 times the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. So therefore, 2 times 2 is 4. So the sum of the infinity of the geometric sequence is 4. So next video, pag-uusapan natin yung iba't ibang klase ng sequence. That's all for this video about the sum of the geometric means. Just remember, perseverance and hard work equals to success. So yan lang yung tatandaan natin. Don't forget to click this and subscribe to my channel. Tatandaan lang natin, mag-aral ng mabuti at kailangan nating abutin ang ating mga pangarap. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day.